Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's got 50,000 miles on it. It's cherry red metallic in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the chrome inserts. Lock unlock button there on the door handle. Alright, it does have a sunroof. It also has power rear sliding doors. Alright, driver's side looks good. It's also equipped with the rear backup camera. It also has the power liftgate as well. Make our way down the passenger side. Same thing over here, nice chrome inserts, lock unlock button in the door handle. It also has your blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that in a second. But other than that, the exterior of the Odyssey is in really good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the gray and beige two-tone door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, it does have your power sliding rear doors and lift gate, your lane departure warning, and your blind spot monitoring button there. Alright, it does have the beige leather, power driver seat. Right, driver seat's in good shape. And sunroof there. Give you another shot of it there. It does have your keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape. No problem with the leather. Alright, it does have your auxiliary and power outlets there. Going to have your display screen right here with the push button start. Okay, it is an automatic. Okay, your heated seats here with the dual climate controls, and your rear view camera and your blind spot monitoring camera will all be right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 29,463 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, go ahead and show your home screen here. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and you can change the view on the backup camera with these buttons here. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back in park, and we're going to engage the blind spot monitoring button. Alright, and that's exactly what it says it is. It just displays the blind spot. You can either press the button to get it to come on, or you can turn, make a lane change, use your turn signal, and it'll come on that way as well. Alright, AC blowing cold, no problems there. And one more thing I wanted to show you before we check out the back seat is right here in the center console. You just lift that up, you have your HDMI cable, alright, 2 USB ports, and a power outlet as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat cloth's in good shape. Let me go ahead and pull this seat up. Alright, I'll go ahead and let you get a look at the cloth back here. But it looks to be in really good shape. No problem at all. Got the center console that comes down, cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, well, this certified Honda is in great shape. 29,000 miles on it. Let's take a look back here in the back. It's got the nice hard plastic protector mat back here. Cloth underneath looks good. Let's go ahead and pull this up. Got your spare tire under there and the jack. Alright. Alright, and one thing I love about, and it's also got the sunshade right here, but one thing I love about these CRVs, it's got the handle right here and right here. You simply pull that handle. Alright, seats are going to go forward. The seat belt's kind of stopping that one, but you pull this handle, seat goes forward. Alright, and you can see just how much it opens it up. Alright, you can take that sunshade out, but it opens it wide up back here. Wide open, plenty of room, plenty of space. Alright, one thing I just noticed, just a couple little nicks right here on the entry point, on the back bumper. Alright, but that kind of stuff is normal, especially on an SUV. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires. Tires are in really good shape. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda CRV EX. It's got Carfax one owner. All right, it was purchased new here at McKenney Salinas Honda, traded back in on another vehicle. All right, it's a certified unit, lots of extra coverage. It's in great shape, couple little scratches here and there, but overall it's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.